Chapter 5. HTML5 Formatting. Computers connected to the network, Internet, are either servers or clients and communicate with each other through web pages. In previous class, you have learned the basics of HTML5. Formatting in HTML5 is a process of formatting text for a better look and feel. HTML5 provides us the ability to format text. There are many formatting tags in HTML5. These tags are used to make text bold, italicized, or underlined. In HTML5, the formatting tags are divided into two categories. Physical tag. These tags are used to provide a visual appearance to the text. Logical tag. These tags are used to add some logical or semantic value to the text. Basic text formatting tags. The bold tag. The HTML bold tag element is a physical tag that displays text in bold font, without any logical importance. If you write anything within bold tag element is shown in bold letters. Italic tag. The HTML italic tag element is a physical element which displays the enclosed content in italic font without any added importance. If you write anything within italic tag element is shown in italic letters. Fact GPT. Both bold and italic tags can be placed within other elements to format the text. They can also be used together to bold and italicized words or phrases. Superscript tag. Superscript text can be created by inserting it slightly above a line of regular text using the superscript tag. The text between the superscript tags will be displayed above the normal text line. Subscript tag. The subscript tag element can be used to add subscript text to a web page, which is put just below the line of regular text. The text between the subscript tags will be displayed below the normal text line. Strike-through tag. Strike-through tag specifies that the enclosed text should be rendered in a strike-through appearance. The text between strike-through tags will be displayed with a strike-through, which is a thin line through the text. Fact GPT. HTML marked formatting. If you want to mark or highlight a text, you should write the content within marked tag. Teletype text tag. Teletype text tag is used to display the text in a fixed width typewriter style font. Paragraph tag. The line break tag does not understand the space created by the enter key. In HTML, paragraph tag the browser automatically adds white space before and after the paragraph. There is also an align attribute of paragraph tag. This attribute sets the direction of text in a paragraph. Its possible values are left, center, right, and justify. The default value is left. Font tag. The font tag is used for modifying the font type, size, and color. This tag is basically used to change the appearance of some particular lines of text. Let's learn few attributes of font tag. Size. Set the size of the font. There are accepted values between 1, the smallest, and 7, the biggest. The standard value of a text is 3. Color. You can set any font color as per the requirement using the color attributes. You can specify the color that you want by either the color name or hexadecimal code for that color. Face. The font face attribute is used to change the font style of the text. You can choose any font which is installed on your computer. The default font face is Times New Roman. Preformatted tag. A fixed-width font, usually Courier, is used to display text in a preformatted tag, and both spaces and line breaks are retained. For any unique situations when you want the content to show exactly as you typed it, use the preformatted tag. The preformatted tag will maintain all line breaks, spaces and tabs that are present in your actual code. Small tag. The small tag makes the text smaller. It makes text one size smaller than the default size, the coded size or the inherited size. Big tag. The big tag makes the text bigger. It makes text one size larger than the default size, the coded size or the inherited size. Text properties. CSS provides text properties that are used to change the appearance of the text. The text properties and their values used with the style attribute are given below. Property. Value. Description. Color. Name of the color. Specifies the text color to be used on the web page. Text align. Left, right, center, justify. Specifies the alignment of the text. Text indent. Length in pixels or percentage. Specifies the indentation of the first line of the text. Text decoration. Underline, overline or strike through. Specifies the text effects like underline, overline or strike through. Text transform. Capitalize, uppercase, lowercase and none. Specifies the transformation of text into uppercase, lowercase or title case. Background properties. The background properties are used to make changes in the background of a web page. The various background properties and their values are given in the table. Property. Value. Description. Background color. Name of the color. Specifies the background color to be used on the web page. Background image. URL of image. Specifies the image to be used in the background on the web page. Background repeat. Repeat X, repeat Y, whereas X horizontal and Y vertical, no repeat. Specifies the repetition of an image on the web page. Some special characters and blank space in HTML5. Character entities are a unique collection of codes that are used to show accented letters and special characters on web pages. Remember to place the ampersand and before the character code and the semicolon after the code when using character codes in HTML. The following are the codes for various special characters and blank spaces on the document. Symbol, code, name, and NBSP semicolon. Non-breaking space, and amp semicolon, ampersand, and send semicolon, sent, and copy semicolon, copy, and divide semicolon, divide, and GT semicolon, greater than, and LT semicolon, less than. Symbol, code, name, and plusm semicolon, plus minus, and euro semicolon, euro, and quote semicolon, quotation mark, and LDQO semicolon, left double curly quote, and ROLU semicolon, right double curly quote, and reg semicolon, registered. Comments in HTML. Comments are the non-executable lines. They are used to give the internal documentation of the program to make it more understandable and readable. Comment lines are indicated by the special beginning tag and ending tag, placed at the beginning and end of every line to be treated as a comment. You must also make sure that there are no spaces in the start of comment string. Margin properties. Margin is the space that appears around an element. The margin property is used to set margins for any web page element. The four sides used with the margin property are left, right, top and bottom. The value of sides can be measured in pixels, for example, 20px, 30px, etc., or as a percentage of the window. Recapitulate. HTML5 provides us the ability to format text. If you write anything within bold, tag element is shown in bold letters. The subscript tag can be used to add subscript text to a web page, which is put just below the line of regular text. The between strike-through tags will be displayed with a strike-through, which is a thin line through the text. A line attribute sets the direction of text in a paragraph. Text properties are used to change the appearance of the text. The background properties are used to make changes in the background of a web page. Comments are non-executable lines. The margin property is used to set margins for any web page element. Gloss GPT. Superscript, text displayed above the baseline of normal text. Subscript, text displayed below the baseline of normal text. Preformatted, text displayed as it is written in the HTML coding.